Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. In today's video, I am going to be talking a little bit about the current heat tools that I use on my hair and also what to look for when shopping for heat styling tools. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So first I am going to start off with the blow dryers that I currently use, and there's two that I use. So the first one that I'm going to be talking about is the famous Revlon one-step hair dryer, which has been all over YouTube. So many people use this. It's so convenient, so easy, so beginner friendly. So I definitely like this one. So this is what it looks like. It is super duper cute. It's black and pink. It has really sturdy bristles, and it does have temperature settings, which I absolutely love. It's going to have the cool, low, and the high settings, which is what you want to look for when you are shopping for a blow dryer, because you have more control of the heat that you're putting on your hair. You can choose to do a warm setting or a cool setting or even a hot setting if you want. So you definitely have control of what you're doing to your hair and how much heat that you're putting on your hair, which is something that you always want to choose when choosing your blow dryer. So also this one does have the ionic technology, which I've been talking about quite often because that's something that you want to look for when choosing a blow dryer, because the less heat that you're putting on your hair and the more time that you're limiting that heat, it's going to definitely reduce any type of heat damage. So always look for that ionic technology. So the next one is one that I am currently using most often when I blow dry my hair. I really love this blow dryer. This one is the Salia Professional Thermal Ionic Dryer, and it does have temperature settings as well. You can choose the cool, warm, or hot setting, which is definitely a plus always. And what I love about this one is that it does have this concentration nozzle on it, so you can focus the heat right on your hair as you're blow drying it. Also, it's pretty lightweight. I've had this for probably over 10 years, so if they don't sell this particular model anymore, I'll see if I can find a current model or a more updated model for what they're selling now. And also, I have been loving this Conair Ionic paddle brush, which I also do love to use with my Salia blow dryer. So I will just brush my hair out as I'm blow drying it, and it gets the job done. I feel like this method, these two together, works a little bit better than the Revlon one-step dryer. I feel like the Revlon one-step dryer it doesn't get my ends completely smooth, so that's kind of why I've been going with, these two methods lately, because I do like my ends to be really super smooth before I do go in with my flat iron. So the next item I'm going to be talking about is my Remington curling wand. I have been loving this curling wand. It's ceramic, so you always want to look for a ceramic wand curler or flat iron. Always choose ceramic over titanium, because titanium, I feel like, is going to be more for professional use. I mean, if you're a professional, go ahead and do that, but for somebody like me, I'm not a professional, I'm not a cosmetologist, so I'm very particular about not creating any unnecessary heat damage. So I do always opt for a ceramic flat iron or curling wand, and definitely make sure that they always have that temperature setting. Always, if they have just an on or off button, no, that's not going to work, because it's going to be more likely to overheat and cause heat damage on your hair, just because you're not able to control the heat of the hot tool. So this one does have the temperature settings, which I do love, of course. And what's great about this is that right on the box, it's going to basically tell you what heat setting to use based on your hair type. So it's super duper convenient. You can just look at the back of the box, whether you're wavy or curly or kinky, you can definitely get a good idea of what heat setting to use, which is awesome. I love when companies do that. I love when they put heat settings for your hair type on the back of the box. Big plus. So the last hot tool that I'm going to be talking about is the flat iron that I currently use. Now I do want to test out a few flat irons over the course of, you know, the end of the year into early next year, just because I've had this one for so long. I've had it probably for over 10 years. This particular model I don't think they make anymore, but it definitely is a really, really good flat iron. And so far I haven't experienced any heat damage or anything like that. So I would definitely recommend this particular brand. But this one is going to be the Sedu Professional Ceramic Flat Iron, and it does have temperature settings. So it's going to basically go from 250 degrees to 410 degrees, which is the highest setting. So I do use the highest setting at 410 degrees, which has been working out for me. It's a pretty safe heat setting for me and my hair type. I do know when I go to the salon, she uses a higher temperature and also a titanium flat iron, but like I said, I keep that to professional use. I don't use titanium at home, and you really shouldn't either. Like, I don't recommend it. But this one has really, really nice ceramic plates, and you know, it just gets the job done. So I would highly recommend this one or something similar to it. It's definitely going to prevent that heat damage, which we're trying to avoid, because we do want to be healthy heat trained naturals. We want to have healthy hair. We don't want it to be breaking off, and we would just want it to look like really nice. You know, we want our hair to look good, like it's supposed to look. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all the hot tools that I currently use on my hair. I do want to test out a few more as well. I may at some point update my blow dryer as well. I know a lot of people like the Dyson blow dryer, so I'm definitely looking into that as an investment, and a few other things that I've seen that I want to try out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.